Maintaining your multi-tool is essential to make sure it continues to perform at its best for as long as possible. A multi-tool is made up of several moving parts, and dirt, like dust or sand, can get trapped in pivot areas. If this happens, the tool might not function as smoothly as it should. One simple trick is to clean out any debris with compressed air or a wooden skewer. Regularly wiping your multi-tool with a microfiber cloth also helps to prevent dirt buildup. By keeping it clean, you can avoid issues like stiffness and keep all parts running smoothly. Even though your multi-tool is most likely made of stainless steel, that doesn't mean it's completely rust-proof. Stainless steel is more resistant to corrosion, but it still contains some carbon, which means rust can still develop under certain conditions. This doesn't mean your multi-tool will start rusting right away, but you should always be cautious around acidic materials and salt. For instance, if you've used your multi-tool to peel fruit or cut branches, make sure to clean it afterward. Acids from fruit and tree sap can lead to rust. If your multi-tool comes into contact with salt water, rinse it with fresh water and dry it thoroughly to prevent corrosion. Don't panic if you see a little rust on your multi-tool. There's a simple fix. Start by applying a drop of maintenance oil and gently rub the area with a cloth. If the rust persists, you can use an abrasive sponge. For more stubborn rust spots, you can turn to products like Flitz or the Naniva Rust Eraser. These will help you remove rust by lightly sanding the surface. While this might dull the finish slightly, it's much better than leaving the rust untreated. Greasing your multi-tool periodically is important not only to keep rust at bay, but also to ensure that moving parts stay functional. A few drops of maintenance oil will go a long way in preserving your tool. At Knives and Tools, we recommend using high-quality oils like Gerber, Ballistol, or Nano Oil. These oils provide a protective barrier against moisture and friction, making sure your multi-tool continues to perform effortlessly. Sharpening your multi-tool is often overlooked. Keeping all the tools sharp is important for optimal performance. It's always a good idea to check and maintain the edges of your blades, saws, and scissors. Even if your multi-tool seems sharp, it's better to sharpen it regularly to avoid the long and more difficult process of sharpening it when it becomes completely dull. For detailed instructions, you can find our full guide on sharpening multi-tools on our website. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the benefits of your multi-tool for many years to come. The secret to a long-lasting, reliable multi-tool? It's all about maintenance. So next time you use your multi-tool, remember, a little care goes a long way in making sure it stays in top shape, ready for your next task.